Have you ever thought about your laptop as more than just a portable computer? What if I told you they're evolving into intelligent, creative partners? Laptops are no longer just tools for work and play. They are now AI-powered creators, transforming how we interact with technology. Gone are the days of incremental upgrades. We're on the brink of a revolution, where your next laptop won't just be faster, it will be smarter. It will anticipate your needs, optimize its own performance, and unlock creative possibilities you've only dreamed of. So, how exactly is this happening? Stick around, because we're about to dive deep into the future of laptops. The heart of this transformation is the massive leap in AI performance. For years, CPUs and GPUs have done the heavy lifting. But now, a new player has entered the game, the NPU, or Neural Processing Unit. This is a dedicated chip designed specifically for artificial intelligence tasks. Think of it like this: your CPU is a generalist, and your GPU is a specialist for graphics. But the NPU is a genius dedicated solely to AI. This means your laptop can now handle complex AI workloads without breaking a sweat. For example, AI-powered rendering in creative software can now happen in a fraction of the time. Ever been in a video call with background noise? New laptops use AI to perform real-time voice corrections, isolating your voice and eliminating distractions for crystal-clear communication. It's like having a professional sound engineer built right into your machine. And perhaps most impressively, AI is now managing your battery life. It learns your habits, predicts your usage patterns, and optimizes power consumption on the fly, squeezing out every last drop of juice. When you look at the performance charts, the difference is staggering. Laptops with dedicated NPUs are leaving older models in the dust, especially when it comes to AI-specific tasks. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete paradigm shift. All this incredible power generates a lot of heat, which has always been the Achilles heel of powerful, thin laptops. But the future has a cool solution actually, several of them. We're entering a new era of thermal management. First up is Vapor Chamber 3.0. Traditional heat pipes are good, but vapor chambers are better. They create a larger surface area to spread heat away from the CPU and GPU much more efficiently. Imagine a super thin, sealed chamber where a liquid vaporizes, moves to a cooler area, condenses back into a liquid, and then flows back to the hot spot to repeat the cycle. It's a continuous, highly effective cooling loop. Then, we have phase shift cooling materials. These are special compounds that can absorb and store massive amounts of thermal energy by changing their physical state, like a solid turning into a gel. This helps to smooth out temperature spikes during intense workloads, preventing your laptop from thermal throttling and losing performance. Finally, we have the graphene cooling spreader. Graphene is a wonder material. That's incredibly strong, lightweight, and one of the best thermal conductors known to man. By integrating graphene sheets into the cooling system, manufacturers can spread heat across the entire chassis far more effectively than with traditional copper or aluminum. When you see an animation comparing the old way with the new, it's a night and day difference. Heat hotspots that used to throttle performance are now gone, replaced by a smooth, even temperature distribution. This means your future laptop can run at peak performance for longer, without sounding like a jet engine. Now, let's talk about the raw hardware that powers this AI revolution. This isn't just about sticking an NPU in an old design. The entire architecture is being reimagined. On the processor front, we have giants like Intel with their Lunar Lake architecture and AMD with the Ryzen AI 300 series. These aren't just incremental updates. They are built from the ground up with AI as a core focus, deeply integrating the CPU, GPU, and NPU for seamless collaboration. This unified approach, what they're calling XPU, means tasks are intelligently assigned to the best processor for the job, maximizing efficiency and speed. For graphics, we're looking at the next generation with chips like the rumored RTX 5090 Mobile. These GPUs will not only be gaming powerhouses, but will also feature even more advanced tensor cores for accelerating AI and creative workloads. And the supporting cast is just as impressive. We're moving to LPDDR6 memory, offering faster speeds and lower power consumption, which is critical for feeding these hungry processors the data they need. Connectivity is also getting a massive upgrade with Wi-Fi 7, providing multi-gigabit speeds and incredibly low latency, perfect for cloud AI and streaming high-resolution content. And to tie it all together, PCIe 5.0 provides double the bandwidth of its predecessor, ensuring that there are no bottlenecks between the components. Imagine an explosive view of this future laptop. It's a symphony of cutting-edge technology, with every single component working in concert to deliver an unprecedented level of intelligent performance. So we have all this power, but what does it mean for battery life? Historically, more power meant less time away from the plug. But here's where AI pulls another trick out of its hat. The future of battery life isn't just about bigger batteries, it's about smarter energy consumption. AI is the ultimate efficiency expert. Your laptop will learn which applications you use most, and when you use them, it will then intelligently route power, giving more juice to your active tasks while putting background processes into a deep, low-power sleep state. It's like having a tiny manager inside your computer, constantly optimizing resources. For example, if you're just writing a document, the AI will know to power down parts of the GPU and run the CPU in a low-power mode. But the moment you open a video editor, it will instantly ramp up performance where it's needed. This adaptive power routing means you get a laptop that is both incredibly powerful and surprisingly long-lasting. We're talking about all-day battery life, not just for simple tasks, but for real, demanding workloads. It's the best of both worlds, and it's all made possible by the intelligence of AI. Okay, so the technology is amazing, but what can you actually do with it? This is where things get really exciting. Let's explore some future use cases. Imagine you're a video editor. Instead of spending hours manually cutting clips, color grading, and adding effects, you can simply give the AI a command like, create a 90-second, high-energy trailer from this footage, using a cinematic color grade. The AI will analyze the content, pick the best shots, edit them to the beat of a generated soundtrack, and deliver a near-final cut in minutes. Or what if you're a programmer? Forget typing thousands of lines of code. With advanced voice-to-code capabilities, you could simply describe the function you want to build, and the AI will write, test, and debug the code for you in real time. This completely changes the nature of software development, turning it into a more creative, conversational process. Think beyond the screen, too. Your AI laptop will become the central hub for your personal ecosystem of devices. It could seamlessly integrate with your glasses, projecting interactive information and virtual monitors into the world around you. Need to join a meeting? Your laptop could project a holographic display of your colleagues right onto your desk, creating a true sense of presence. These aren't science fiction fantasies. They are the tangible applications that this next generation of AI-powered hardware will enable. Your laptop will become a true extension of your mind, a creative partner that helps you bring your ideas to life in ways we're only just beginning to imagine. So, where does this all leave us? We're witnessing a fundamental shift. Laptops are no longer just passive tools that we command. They are becoming intelligent partners that collaborate with us. This evolution from a portable computer to an AI-powered creator is the most significant leap in personal computing we've seen in over a decade. It's a future where your device understands your intent, anticipates your needs, and empowers you to be more creative and productive than ever before. The fusion of dedicated AI hardware, revolutionary cooling, and intelligent software is creating a machine that is more than the sum of its parts. It's an intelligent companion. The next time you're shopping for a laptop, you won't just be looking at specs like gigahertz and gigabytes. You'll be choosing an AI partner. The future is smart, it's efficient, and it's incredibly exciting. Thanks for joining me on this look into the future of laptops. It's a topic I'm super passionate about. What AI feature are you most excited to see? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech. Don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll be exploring the rise of AI in smartphones. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.